There we go. Alright, so we're live. Today is, what is today? I don't even know. Don't have my phone with me, it's okay. Okay, so today is 18 April 2023. Yesterday I was unable to, yesterday I had to get out my, a new tape here and make, can you see that? Anyway, it's a Oxide Nation tape. Can you see that? Will it focus? Yeah, there we go. Oxide Nation tape. I bought that off of Dr. Bell off of eBay. Anyway, so I had to make a new mixtape because this one here has finally bit the dust. It won't work anymore. And I had another one here, but anyway, so without further ado, oops, I want to show you that what I've done here to make this one work. So open with that. So there's the front of this model, right? Here's the front, that end, that's the DC 9 volt in. That's the only, it doesn't have a transformer, so that's all you got is that. Here's the top of it. You got your headphone, volume, tone, tape or radio button, your record mute button because this has music search, and your standard buttons, which is what is that? Pause, rewind, fast forward, play, record, and eject. Pretty sure these are microphones, although I haven't tested it. And then here's your TV, AM, and FM, and your tuning knob. The bottom, that end. Yeah, that's what it says right there. Okay. There's, anyway, in the back, the battery compartment, the screws go there. Comes out the front, that's what it looks like there. There's that. That's the stereo indicator wire. It's the speaker wires and the motor. That's the kind of motor it takes. And that's the mechanism. And take a picture, take a picture, take a picture. And it's the speaker, the other speaker, the center. That part, that part. Take a picture of this view, that view, just in case. These are the original belts. They were still in it, but that wasn't the issue. The issue was this item right here, which was dirty, very dirty. Okay? Another picture, another picture, another picture. Alright, this is very dirty. This had crud in the leaf switches, which makes this operate. So, here is the amount of crud that was in there. It wouldn't allow those leaf switches to make contact, and therefore the audio and or the motor wouldn't work because of that crud there. Alright, so I cleaned that out, put new belts in. This is the old belt. The old belt was nearly 15 centimeters, and the other belt was nearly, well, just 11.5 centimeters, right? And put in some new belts, a little bit smaller. That's a picture of, well, that's just underneath the thing. And that's with new belts installed. And then this is, I got my toothbrush and this stuff here, and I cleaned the micro switch so it's nice and clean again. Right? Now everything works, and then I found out that the clutch, this is your clutch for your take-up reel, it was not very clutchy. So this is the original cloth clutch. I took it out and I made a new clutch, which is out of that material there. Sorry, it's not perfect, but hey, it works now. So there it is all apart. I'd use my needle tip lubricator thing from Radio Shack. What is that, part number 64321A or something? Anyway, so There, and then here's the last picture. I had to adjust the motor speed. That's how you do it. You get a flat tip screwdriver, you put it in there. And then I was playing this, but here, let me just wide out here. So wide out, and there it is. So take this, just drop some letters. Okay, mouse again. All right, so hit play. That's the jack 12. That's the tape again. There's only stuff on one side, not the other, so I'll show you that it does work on both sides. Let's see here. So let's hit play. So it works like that. Okay. It'll fast forward. Well, actually, that's your music search. So it should find the song. I haven't even tried this one here, but no. Maybe it'll work. There it goes. Yay! So the music search works. And then, like I said, if we hit the reverse button, which is this here, there's nothing on that side. But to show you that it works on both sides, let's see here. So we'll hit stop, eject, take the tape, flip it over, right? Put it in, hit play. Play. There's nothing on that side, and then now it's playing in reverse, and that's the same piece of music we were just now listening to. All right, so that works.
Wait, 26, but on the 121 is one.
The radio. There's the stereo lights trying to work. I don't have the antenna up, but you know. I don't want to sell that music, so not hear about that. So, oh wait, that was. Okay, so let's. I should be fast forwarding it to the next song on the. There we go. So it works. It's for sale if anyone's interested. It only works with this. It won't work on batteries. I don't know why. I cleaned the heck out of the terminals here. Let's see, I'll show you that. All the terminals in there are all nice and pretty and everything, but it just won't work on batteries. I don't know why. Okay, so I'll include a little wall wart battery deal. Not this one, but something similar to make it work. Okay, but there you go. It plays really well. Plays on both sides. It has music search. Looks like this. Sorry. Okay, so I've had too much fun. Hope you enjoyed, but I gotta go and work on something else. So now we're gonna unpower that. Take your tape out. Alright. Then we have, ever so briefly, just showing we have a Panasonic, which I didn't put in the description here, but this is a Panasonic, what is this? Television sound RX FM45, okay? And it powers like that, and it also takes 6C batteries just like the other one does. This one here, it took me a moment to figure it out, but see here, if we put this, there's power, the radio works. I haven't figured out where the tuner is, and I haven't quite figured out all these switches yet, but that gets you radio. It's got TV and AM. AM is down here. There's AM, so we put it back on. That's AM, so anyway, I haven't figured it out yet. Maybe that. Okay. And then of course, the tape player does not play, so there, you can hear the motor running really loud. So I'm going to turn this one here and try and repair the tape deck on it. The door doesn't close properly, or well, now it does work. Anyway, okay, so it's real slow. That does that. Fast forward, rewind. Needs a belt, obviously, so we're going to put a new belt in this. So this is complete. It looks like that. All right. I got to be quick about this. Anyway, so much for that, but The other one's for sale. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Let's put this back up here. There's that. Where's the hero? Here's the hero. Okay. There's the hero. All right. Gotta go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Good day, bye-bye. All right, so turn that